Hi guys, it's Kieran from Derbyshire Computer Services. Just wanted to do a quick video to check in with you all really, see how everyone's doing, give you a bit of an update on how we're getting on working remotely. As you can tell, I'm not in my usual workspace, ignore Beauty and the Beast in the background. So as you all know, let me turn that fan off, give me one second. That's better, you might actually be able to hear me now. So yeah, it's been an absolute manic weekend. As most of you, if not all of you know, the shop is unfortunately closed, but we are still carrying out repairs from home. We've changed our insurance to make it so we can work from home. So we've introduced contactless collections. So with these contactless collections, we are basically able to pick up devices from your home. It works by us placing a very fashionable box. Oh, that one's got something in it, thought it was empty. Very fashionable box on your doorstep. We then knock on your door, step back, you put your device in the box, and then you step back, then we step forward and pick it up. It's completely contactless. We don't need to be coming in your property, we don't need to be coming in close proximity to you. It's just a simple collection. There is a small form you need to fill out on our website before we can do this collection procedure, because normally you would have to fill in a form and all that legal boring terms and conditions, but the online form eliminates that. So yeah, we're able to collect your devices, bring it back here to our fabulous Disney workshop. So if I can give you a quick little glance, sneaky behind the scenes look at what's going on at the moment. So we've got quite a few in at the moment. We're pretty much able to do all repairs as we would at the shop, because we're trying to get everything back to customers as soon as possible. Obviously if something needs parts, we still need to get parts, which we are still able to get as it stands. If anything changes, we'll let you know. But as it stands, it's business as usual. So if you need to book a collection, just head to this website here. If my editing skills have gone right, the website should have been there. I've not done this before, as you can tell. If anyone has any questions at all, our phone lines are still open. You can call us on 01332 820 008, phone number here. Again, testing the editing skills. So yeah, that's pretty much it. But we'll check in with you guys in every few days or so with any updates, or if there's anything we would like to share with you tech-wise. As it stands, the only update I would like to announce to you all is what's called throttling, and broadband providers have announced that they are doing this. So you might have noticed at home your broadband has got pretty slow. Even your mobile broadband might be a bit shocking. Basically, broadband providers are slowing down all networks. The reason for this is to try and keep more people online, because obviously the amount of people that are working from home, broadband use has gone right up. So they're slowing everyone's broadband down to try and put less strain on the network and try and keep everyone going. So that's basically where we're at. Like I say guys, if anyone needs any advice or needs to book a collection or anything at all, get in touch on that website there or that phone number there. Had to do it again. Thanks guys, take care, stay safe. Yeah.